So here is Soda Make New Friends app. I don't know if it's gonna replace Wink or anything, but is it like how is it different from Wink app? So basically, it's just getting better. So some users getting more happier because this Soda app is now more similar to Wink app, to old Wink app. But the main difference is that if you want to accept friends right now, that's what users write. You need to pay. So that's the you use in the Wink app. You used to accept if people wanted to be friends with you without paying, but now you have to pay. I miss the old way. So that's the idea. That's but now you need to pay for it. And the another difference is that you need now to get verified. You need to complete verification. So those are these things, and then of course is the whole branding, the whole things. It's just everything new. It's just called Soda. I don't know why it's called Soda. It's called 1 month. It's called 10 for $10. Then yeah, you can just get Soda Plus for 1 month. 1 week you can get for $5. And then with this Soda Plus, then you can just get all of these features. So it's more kind of aggressive monetization in this way. So yeah, that's what it is.